Bonjour mes étudiants, bienvenue au cours de français. Welcome to the French class. Today we are going to start a very interesting topic, le féminin du nom. That is how to make the feminines of the nouns. So let's begin. I am going to tell you some rules, so please be very careful. Let's see the first rule. The first rule says when you have to make a noun feminine, you add an E to the masculine singular form. Let us see. Here we have mascula, that is the masculine gender, or we call it the male gender. And then we have the femina, that is the feminine gender or the female gender. So I have taken one example for you over here. It is un étudiant. That means a student who is a male. And if I have to talk about a student who is a female, so I will add an E at the end. So it becomes étudiante, and the article in front of it will also change. So it will be une étudiante. So in the masculine, it is a étudiant, and in the femina, it is une étudiante. Let us see rule 2. If the noun that is a masculine form, it ends in EUR. So to make it into feminine, you will add EUSE, right? So you will be removing EUR, and instead of that, you will be adding EUSE. Let us see the example. In masculine, I have taken an example, un joueur, that is a player. That means a player who is a male. Now I have to change it into the femina, that is the female gender, to a player who is a female. So I will remove this EUR, and instead I will add EUSE. So it becomes joueuse, and the article will also change. So the word becomes une joueuse. In the masculine, I repeat again, it is a joueur, and to make it feminine, it is une joueuse. Moving to rule number 3. If the nouns end in IEN and you have to change it into the feminine form, so you will be removing IEN, and instead of that, you will be adding IENNE. So let us see the example. In the masculine, I have taken a musicien. That means a musician. And now I have to change it into the feminine form. I will remove IEN, and I will be adding IENNE. So the word becomes musicien, and the article also becomes une. So it becomes une musicien. In the masculine, it is un musicien, and in femina, it is une musicienne. Moving to rule number 4. If the masculine noun ends in TEUR, so you will remove TEUR, and instead of that, you will be adding TRICE. Let us see the example. I have taken an example of an actor. So in masculine, it is un acteur with a TEUR at the back. Now I have to change it into the feminine, that is, I have to make it an actress. So it will be une actrice. So I have removed TEUR, and instead of that, I have written TRICE. So the word becomes actrice. So it is une actrice. In masculine, it is un acteur, and in femina, it is une actrice. Moving to rule number 5. Now that's very easy. So rule number 5 says if the noun already ends in E, that means there is an E at the back. So in the feminine form also it will remain the same. There will be no change. So here I have taken an example of a generalist. In masculine, we call it un journaliste, right? And in the feminine form, the words will remain the same. It is journaliste. You just need to change the article. So, un journaliste will become une journaliste. That's it. There will be no other change. Let us see the last rule, children. That is rule number 6. So this rule says that there are some nouns which have only one gender. That is the masculine form only. So let us see those examples. First is a doctor. So a doctor will be the same in masculine as well as in the feminine form also. So it is un médecin. Un médecin. That means a doctor. The next one is a teacher. So that's called a professor. A professor. That means a teacher. And the last one we have over here is an engineer. So that's a engineer. A engineer. So these are some nouns which have only one gender. That is the masculine form. So I hope you all enjoyed this topic. Keep learning. Au revoir.